TPR, TPE, TPV car mat sheet extrusion line. Precision extrusion uniform, consistent, high-quality TPE mats. Customizable molding fits all vehicle models, with perfect shapes and sizes. High-efficiency automated feeding, extrusion, cutting, save time and labor. Easy operation and maintenance, user-friendly interface, reliable performance. Eco-friendly TPE material, recyclable, sustainable. Rainbow provides complete solutions, from raw material to final mats. TPE or TPR mats, all-weather, flexible, anti-slip, anti-crack even in sub-zero temperatures. Perfect fit, stylish design, stain-resistant, easy to clean. Rainbow TPR TPE car floor mats making machine, durable, eco-friendly, all-weather solution. If you're interested, feel free to contact us.